What up, people? Thank you so much for getting back to my channel, and in this video I will be sharing again with you my income report for May 2019, which I'm super excited because I was expecting the almost the same numbers that we got, and we got even a bit more, although we had problems in the process. So people ask me why you do that, why you share that. So basically, you are seeing my videos because you want to learn from me, and I myself am a big believer that I never learn from someone that is not doing what he's preaching. So for me to go ahead and to show you that I know my information and that you should learn from my videos, it's only when I'm showing the results of what exactly I'm doing. So in this income report, we will be covering my eBay UK manual store, okay, which I launched like maybe 2 months ago, and this is actually the first full month that we are dropshipping on this store manually. So without further ado, let's jump into my income report. Okay guys, so this is the account. Okay, this is the sales. As you can see, the past 31 days, the past 30 days, this is the sales. So basically we're around like 13,000 in sales in the past month. That is it is a good result. It is not the highest we could do because first, we are still in PayPal jail. We are waiting. I think we have 2 more weeks to be in the PayPal jail, and then we'll start really to scale this store. But again, I'm not focusing only that store. I already have more stores, and I developing more stores to not focus only on one store, because for me, even if it will make me like 2,000-3,000 pounds in net profit per month, I'm okay with it, and move on to the next store. So basically, as you can see here in this, we had a huge drop in sales that also decreased our profits because PayPal asked us to verify again our account, and they restricted like our account, and we could not receive any payments. And in this day, it was really slow because it took after we did the confirmation with the identification and the PayPal account started working again. eBay, like the active listings, it took like up to 24 hours to be updated in our eBay account, so only some of the items were people were able to purchase. So from those 3 days, and then we just get back to our average sales per day. It's around 400 or 500, and we started to increase the amount of listings. Okay, we started increase the amount of listings because we found a way to release our funds manually while we are still in PayPal jail, and that I explained that I think in one of my videos. So here we listed more items. I think we listed around 80 listings, something like that. And here you already see like we have the highest day 745 in sales. And so basically, as you can see, active listings we have only 224. Around 20 are out of stock. So it's around 200 active listings. Okay, and the 200, like the new listings that we uploaded a few days ago, less than a week ago, they still didn't kick in. So the account will still keep growing without even listing more items. So basically, let's go to my cashback. The cashback for this month was not a lot. Okay, the cashback was 56. We need to a bit to boost the cashback and use that more. But the good thing with eBay manual dropshipping that the most of the profit will be in the front end, and this is what I want. I want to have my money straight away. So let's go to my spreadsheet. Okay, I had it, of course, some columns like item ID, order number, things like that you don't need to see. Okay, so this is the sales record of May 2019. This is my spreadsheet that I use to keep record of my profits and sales that I give to my accountant. So this is not fake, nothing like that. I don't believe me that I have better things to do to go ahead and do like this huge spreadsheet to fake things. So basically, let's just take the column of the profit because this is what we care about, the profit. So the profit in this month, okay, and as I said, that I think that the profit will be around like that it will be around 1000, but I thought, okay, I was almost 100% sure it will be around 1400 in profit. So it is 1453.37 pounds in net profit. After all fees and everything, this is the profit that this account made me, okay, within the first full month. Okay, that is, for me, that is amazing, with like almost only 200 listings, and like all those sales are before we listed all, like the new 80. So it is between 100 to 150 active listings, and this is the profit that you can make, okay, with full first month. Okay, and this account is fully outsourced. I'm not doing anything. Maybe some days, if I have the willing, I'm listing a bit items on it, but I'm working on a different accounts. So I'm personally really happy with this account. So it is, as you can see by the sales, it is more than 10 profit, and this is what I was aiming, around 12% profit. I'm good with it, that everything can be outsourced, and I'm good with it, and I'm continuing to another account. And my plan for this account to make me, I want to scale it, yes, but not that much. I don't want to get flagged MC011, things like that. I want to take it slow, maybe to take it to around 3,000 pounds in net profit per month. I think that should be enough for me, and move on to the next account. So yeah, this is the results. I'm super happy with it. Okay guys, so what are you saying? Quite awesome, no? So I personally I'm glad with the results. I knew that those will be the results. Okay, the average will be like maybe 1400, something like that, and we made more than that, so I'm fine with it. Although we had the problems in the process in this month, and we are still in PayPal jail, I will scale it around, I think, to maybe 3 to up to 5,000 pounds in net profit, and not more than that, because I don't want to get MC011 or something like that. So if you want to know exactly step by step how I did that, and how I took this account, this brand new account, from zero to make me this amount of money, and that will make me, this account will make me, of course, more money than that in the future months. If you want to know exactly step by step, I have a blueprint that I released in the middle of May, and this is still in the limited time offer. Okay, right now it is a limited time offer until the end of this month, maybe even sooner. I will increase the price, so if you want to get it in this limited time offer, you can get it right now. So I hope this video gives you some motivation. Okay, in the next few days I will also be releasing my income report for my AliExpress store. Okay, this is brand new stores that I started, and I want to show you guys that it is possible and really doable to make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 if it is dollars, pounds in net profit really fast. You don't need to wait like half year or a year to make that amount of money. Okay, and that amount of money can release a lot of people from the slavery jobs and the 9-to-5 jobs that we all hate, because I were in your place and I hated that, and also thinking about it today still makes me sick, that I was wasting my time, that this is the only thing that you have in this world. Okay, this is your time, and I was investing my time for someone else's dreams, and now it's time for you to take things to your hands. So I hope that you enjoyed that video. If you do, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. That is will be really appreciated by me, and I will see you in the next one guys. Thank you.